Pretty good number. All right, so let's go ahead and start, guys. We're not gonna wait for no one today. So let's go. All right, so welcome everyone. This is Irvin here, team with Irvin. Today we're gonna be starting the analysis with on Sunday. That was for the week of January 20 to the 24. Hope you like my new logo, and let's get to it. All right, so if you guys have any question, please feel free to ask anything. If I have to skip any of the analysis just to do one or two of your own, I'm more than happy to do so. Okay, so we can analyze it together. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So today we're gonna start with USD versus the USD Canadian dollar. What did you guys see in here, guys? This is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market is bullish. Look at that. Perfect. Market is doing exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at this. I told you guys the market was gonna do what? Pay attention to that. Here's my line. I said the market was gonna do a retest, coming in and retest mid 50 to 61, and look at what happened. Bam! It gave us more than what we wanted. That's it, guys. I think there was someone in the chat room that was extremely happy about. I think he took one of my analysis as a signal, but remember, I don't do signals. All this is educational purpose. I just want you to learn how to use the triple arrow the same way I do it. Okay, so if you are struggling with the triple arrow, you guys know that I do 101 and I'm here to help you, but there's a small fee, so it's for my time. It takes over 1 hour to really get into your mind so you can learn. Okay, all right, so let's go to the question and see if you guys have any question on USD versus the Canadian dollar. All right, we're gonna start with Dorian Collins. Say hi, Irvin. I'm doing great. Oh, okay. Thank you, Dorian. I'm doing great here. I don't have Facebook and Instagram. That's Kumar. That's fine. Jay Flores say, hey, Irvin. Saludos. All right. So then we go to Rich. Oh, shout out to Rich Wealthy. This guy never missed any of the class, so we're gonna give him a special shout out when we start making money on the super chat. You're gonna be my first one giving you $50. Guarantee you that, okay? Just for coming into the class every Wednesday and keep learning how to use the triple arrow system. All right, so if we don't have any other question, we're gonna move on to our next pair. The next pair that I'm gonna be analyzing today for you guys is the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Clearly, I said the market was gonna come back and retest between 61 to 78 Fibonacci line. Look at what the market is doing. It's going on our direction. But the question is why? Why? What do you think is performing as a bullish? Did you see the triple arrow? Sure. Look at that. Perfect. Triple arrow don't lie, guys. If you analyze this correctly, triple arrow will pay your bills. Even 50 pips will pay your bills. And I just put a new RSI rules in there. It's super easy, guys. If you have not watched that video, please pay attention to it. Today I make about $700 using the RSI. Just grabbing pip here and there. Cause I love it. I was not on my PC all day, so I was out. I was on the field, so I was making pips as well. All right, no problem, Rich. I got you on my list, okay, for being a faithful student. All right, so you guys have any question on EURNZD? If so, please drop the question below so I can help you understand how to use the triple arrow. If not, we're gonna move on to our next pair. Next pair that we have is gonna be the GBP Canadian dollar. Look at this, guy. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. So far, we are analyzing 3, right? So out of 3, we are 100% on profit. Look at this. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to come back and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. What happened? It gave us more pips than what we asked for it. And it's still bullish. Still bullish. But remember, this is not going to be for a long time, guys. This is a triple arrow going against the master trend. So I always teach on my private session is to always try to learn to grab between 20 to 40 pip if you're going to be going against the master trend. Because that you're going against. And that will hurt you overall. If you pay attention, this market being bearish since December 2019. And it's just doing the first pullback on the triple arrow. Very first one. Look at that. I just highlighted. That's what it is. Okay. Let me do this so you can see it. See that? That's the first triple arrow going against the master trend, guys. In my opinion, it's time for a reversal. But we're going to come back on Sunday and reanalyze this pair if you want. But that's what I have for GBP Canadian dollar. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to our next pair. We're going to move on to the AUD versus our Canadian dollar. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. Look at here. I say market was going to come back and retest our mid 23 Fibonacci line. Look at that. Look at what happened, guys. Oh my God. This is amazing. The trade gave us more pips than what we asked for it. And then I said the market from that point on, from this point on, the market was going to reverse. Look at what happened. Obviously, it gave us more pips, right? And then the market is pulling back exactly what I told you guys. In my opinion, the market is going to come back, still going to come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. And then it's going to drop back. But so far, it's performing exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. So we have 4 trades so far, and 4 of those trades are in pure profit. If that would it be. Alright. So, but this is the first pullback as well. So don't be on it for so long if you are on this trade. Alright, so let's move on to our GBPNZD. Look at what oh my God. Look at this guy. Look at this. Another great pair. GBP is acting up. Very sweet. Look at who's in charge here, guys. What do you think why do you think the market is performing exactly? Look at that. Triple arrow is going where? Triple arrow is going bullish. Just stay with the trend, guys. Really, what I'm finding a lot of you guys is when the market is bullish, a lot of the newbies are going bearish. I just don't understand why. If you don't get it, if you don't understand, or you want someone to help you out, we are hundreds and hundreds of members in our chat room. Someone can help you out. But if you want me to help you, that's different. I will do a one-on-one session and I will make you a pro within an hour. Guarantee, guys. It's guaranteed. But that is only if you want to change your life. Remember, we are in 2020. It's a new millennium. The only person that can make the change is only you, not me, none of your family member. You have the control of your life. So, all right. So hopefully that's why you understand why we are in a bullish market here. What pairs do you guys want me to analyze, guys? Do you have anything on mind? If so, please drop it on the comment below so I can pull it out of the chart. Alright, so let's go ahead and analyze CHFJPY before we have Jack Ross here that want me to analyze AUDNZD. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Oh my goodness, look at what I told you guys on Sweet Friends Bird Japanese Yen. Again, this is done on what time frame? 4 hours. I love 4 hours in a daily. Look at what I told you guys. And this, clearly, I think I remember this pair, when I told you guys on Sunday, triple arrow was not here. And I clearly said there was a formation of the triple arrow on this pair. Look at what happened. It's there, guys. Look at who's there. And I said, yes, we were going to be expecting another 3 more candles before the triple arrow pulled back. And then, bam, reverse to where it is. It's that simple, man. Super, super simple. If not, did I have that in here? EURJPY. Let me see. I don't have it, but yeah, I could do that. Who was that? Jack. Okay, Jack. No, that we got Jack and Kumar. All right, so hopefully you understand why. Look at how many pairs we have analyzed so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, guys. All by following very strict rules. My rules are very, very strict, guys. I respect them. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna still drop and give us a few more candles. Look at what happened. Instead of giving us few more candles, it gave us more pip than what we asked for it. It's that beautiful, guys. Trading is not hard, but the question is why? Why the market was dropping? Look at that. I highlighted for you on Sunday. Still highlighted. Market is what? It's bearish. It's not hard. It's bearish, guys. All right, we're gonna skip GBPJPY because we're gonna add. Oh, Sarah said GBPJPY. Okay, I have it in here. All right, so we're gonna select that one since I already have it on the trade. Look at what's happening here, guys. Look at here. I said the market was gonna come back and retest what? R50 right here. Look at here. 50 Fibonacci line. Look at where it's sitting. And then what? And then was gonna drop. It's doing that. It's just gonna drop. You see the 4 hours in there, and then you see the daily dot. So it's firming. When those two form, usually it does a small pullback. So we're looking for next week a pullback. And then for the rest of the week, I'm sorry, but for the rest of the week. And then what do you think it's gonna do? Actually, this is a triple arrow pullback, guys. That's what the market is doing. This is the very first triple arrow going, doing a first pullback. And then because the market is gonna drop eventually, the market is bearish. All right. Hopefully you understand this. Again, this is on the GBPJPY. That was, who asked this question? That was Sarah Brani. I think that's I don't know if that is how you pronounce your name. All right. So who is on USDJPY? What are you guys doing on that one? Is it bullish or bearish? Don't feel embarrassed, guys. I'm here to help you out. If you have problem on this one, let me know. Let me go and open it and see if you are on the right path. Oof, look at what I told you. What I usually tell you guys is very accurate. You remember last year in 2019, I'm be teaching you now for what, 7 months, doing live trading. On those 7 months, I mean on last 6 months of last year, I lost only 4 trades, guys, live with you. Live. Look at this. Look at how many pairs we are so far. I'm doing well. Someone comment on the chat room today. Oh, thanks to Tim Irvin. I don't know what pair it was, but he said that I guess he took one of the trade as a signal. But remember, though, these are not signal, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader like you, looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips by following rules. I have rules. Without rules, I cannot drive this vehicle. Okay, so look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Bam, the market was gonna do what? It was gonna drop and retest at 23. So far it's doing exactly what I told you guys. But now look at who's in charge. Why is the market behaving as a bearish? Because the triple arrow is telling us the market is dropping. Jack Ross says it's bearish. Sarah says it's bearish. Sarah says bearish, I think. You can't be thinking. You got to be sure on this. Forex is not a game. You got to treat this business like a real business, like a sport. Like a sport. I don't know if you play sport, but you got to treat it like very serious. Don't be thinking. You got to make sure. If you have problem learning how to read the triple arrow, ask. We're here to help you. We are over 1,000 members. Someone can help you. If you want me to help you on a one-on-one, it's different. Send me a private message to the link below. This is of this video. All right, so Kumar just corrected and said bearish, exactly. But remember guys, those triple arrows, sometimes they are doing pullback. You need to learn how to read triple arrow going against the master trend. When that happens, that means you need to be on the trade for 20 to 40 pip and be out. Otherwise, the market is gonna kill your account. All right, so if you want to make hundreds and hundreds of pips, you better follow the rules. All right, hopefully that helped you. All right, so let's go to USD Canadian dollar. Look at, oh my goodness, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Gosh, this was so good. Well, this one on Sunday, basically what I'm seeing, triple arrow was not there. Look at what I told you. Market was bullish. Market was still forming a couple more bars before it takes off. Look at that. Triple arrows guaranteed on 4 hours, guys. This is on the daily. I think I went on the daily on Sunday and show you. But look at that. It's doing exactly what I told you. What do you think it's gonna do next week or for the rest of the week? Market is gonna do a small pullback, correcting, maybe coming into that 23 Fibonacci line before going back to the same direction. But the overall, this trend is bullish. All right. All right, let me read some of the questions. Sarah says, okay, thank you. No problem, Sarah. Make sure you get the right information, okay? Don't be thinking about Forex is not the right tool. You need to be right. Or if you have an issue, you need to have someone to help you. All right. All right, let's go to Chad. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Chad Kosh. Irving, what is the master trend? Is the weekly correct? No, sir. That takes over 1 hour to really get you into it. It's not that simple. All right, so I know it because I've been doing it for a while, but it takes about hour and a half, to be honest, to really train you so you can understand. But if you don't know, book 101, guys. Invest in yourself. Look, put it this way: if you fund your account with $1,000 and you don't have no knowledge of what are you doing, the market is gonna eat you $1,000, guarantee, guys. It will take time, but it will take your money out. Sometimes we are too cheap to invest in ourselves, and then remember, out of few couple dollars, you can make tons and tons of dollars back. The investment you're gonna get, the reward you're gonna get is amazing, but the money is there. All right. All right, what pair do you guys want me to analyze? Anyone? Let me open USDCHF and then we're gonna go ahead and analyze any of your pair. CADJPY. All right, Simon says CADJPY. Let's do that. What are you doing on that one? Simon, look at this, man. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you guys. Oh gosh, this is the best. Let me write it down because I need to reanalyze this stuff back on Sunday. Look at what I told you guys on Swiss franc. It's US dollar versus Swiss franc. Gosh, look at this. Amazing. I said the market is gonna retest at mid 38 and 50. Look at what it's doing. It's sitting exactly what I told you guys. It's sitting exactly in there. It's just amazing, man. USD. So I will not forget because I love this pair. I'm gonna re-add it again for your Sunday analysis. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. All right, first week with the positive result. Who's that? Look at that, Russell. Oh, congratulations, brother. Congrats. That's what I want to hear. All right, let's go and respect Simon. He said Canadian JPY. Didn't I say that or not? Let me check. Look at that. How many pairs have we analyzed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of 11, how many have we lost? You tell me. You there? You're the one who analyzing it with me. I'm just going with my rules. Rules don't lie. So what are you doing on Canadian JPY? Who was that, Simon? What are you doing on that one? I just want to know if you are on the right direction. Guys, can you guys help Simon before I put the chart on it? I just want to make sure we all are on the same page. I don't know if you are in front of your PC or not, but it would be better. It would be nice if we all help Simon at the same time, so we all can learn together. That's what I like to come and do this live, because now if you guys want me to go offline from now on, maybe I can analyze only 3-6 pair, 3 to 6, then the rest will be just the one-on-one with you guys, just making sure we all learn together. All right. USDJPY is bearish trend. You got it. That is correct. I did that already, so that is correct. All right. So what was the pair again? I forgot. What was Simon? Where is Simon at? Oh, didn't? Oh, I forgot to grab and drop. That's what we do here. Grab and drop. Let's see what is this one doing. This is the Canadian JPY. Let's see if you guys are correct. Who is Simon? You need to let us know what are you doing in here, Simon. We need to help you out. Look at this, man. Look at this. Oh my goodness, the chart is acting up weird. All right. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh gosh, look at that. That's bearish. That's bearish. Look at this move. Goodness. So beautiful. But the question is why? Why is the market behaving the exact same thing? Look who's in charge. Triple arrow, guys. Triple arrow. When did the triple arrow come in? It came in on January 20, 2 days back. Fully ready. Triple arrow was not there on Sunday. I guarantee you that. It was not there on Sunday. But look at that. It was firming. So this might be a pullback. But look at this massive drop. Oof. Now it's touching resistance. Oh gosh, that is good. So what was Simon's question? Why is not Simon answering? Yeah, that's bearish. Triple arrow is telling us it's bearish. Terry says CADJPY. Didn't I have that in here? Just want to make sure, because I don't want to go over the same thing that I already have here. CADJPY bearish. Oh, okay, Terry, that's exactly what it is. EURJPY, please, Irvin. Let's do what who is it? Sarah. Let's see what Sarah is doing here. Sarah wants to analyze EURJPY right here. So what is the overall market on the EURJPY, Sarah? What are you doing on that one? Is it's either bullish or bearish? Please let us know, because we want everyone to learn the same way as you do. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Market been bearish since January 14, 2020, guys. That was your New Year's gift. Look at that. If you respect the rules, I don't know if you guys have any rules, but look at this, guy. Look at that. Who's in charge? Triple arrow. Triple arrow is telling you. Triple arrow cannot lie, guys. Telling you. This is bearish, yes. But you know what I realized, guys? Sometimes when we teach class, it becomes easier for you, right? Because you're seeing somebody else doing it. But you need to learn to see the exact same thing that I do, Mr. Pat does, everyone, all our coaches inside of our chat room. You need to learn how we do it. If you don't know, if you're struggling, you need to ask for help. We are here to help you. But you need to learn to read exact same data. Look at my charts, nice and clean. Do you see any other indicator besides the money tree in there? No, that's it, guys. That's what you pay for it. That's what you get with me. And I'm going to be teaching you MT4 data with conjunction of the triple arrow. But it's that simple. So this is bearish. Beautiful bearish market. I'm already out for 24 pip on this one. Oh, there you go. Congrats to Rich. Rich is the guy, man. Look at him. He's the guy here. All right. Any other pair, guys? Any other pair? Because I still have. Let's go to GBPUSD. I don't know. I think this one went outside of our box, but we're going to check. Any other pair, please drop it, and I will be more than happy. We got Kumar. Are the triple arrow people point? No, sir. We're not gonna go through that. We're teaching you analysis from last Sunday. All right. Look at what I told you guys on GBPUSD. The market was gonna come back and do what? Retest our mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Look at what it is doing. It did that, and then what else did I say? Market was gonna come back and retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. What is the market doing? Exact same thing what I told you guys. Exact same thing. It's not hard, guys. This stuff is not hard. All right, let's go to the next one. AUDUSD. Okay. AUD. Let's do AUDNZD since that one was the first one. What is the? What are you guys doing on that one? Who was that? Jack Rose. What are you doing on AUDNZD? Guys, I have never done a free conference call. If you want me to do free conference call so you can ask questions live, like I can hear your voice, then I will ready to do that, and then we can post that video later on. All right, so or we can do it for I don't know, but it's up to you. I forgot what pair it was. I'm getting distracted. AUDNZD. Where is AUDNZD? I don't even know what it is. Where are you, buddy? Right here. All right. So what are you doing, AUDNZD? Where's Jack? Jack, where are you? Bearish before pullback. All right. Let's see what he's talking about, because I don't remember him doing a one-on-one with me, but he's talking my language now. But we're gonna see. All right, you are a beast. Oh, thank you, Dark Ninja 2000. So welcome. Never heard your name before, but welcome. All right, so he says bearish. So you want to know? All right. So what route do you guys want to do, guys? I want to do free conference call so you can ask me questions live. You can get into and everyone can hear your question. And maybe I can give you some extra secret. The secret that I teach on my 101. But obviously that cannot be live YouTube. There will be other members that are not going to be able to learn. Alright, so I forgot. So let's go. Rich says it's a big drop. Alright, look at that. 3 bearish. We got 3 people saying there's bearish. I mean 2. Alright, let's see if it's bearish, guys. I really want you to learn. Alright, we got some new lighting in here. Let me know. Let me see. Boom. Look at that. But the question is why? It's not don't just say it's a big drop. You need to know that. You need to know the story behind. Because there, in my opinion, the market is bearish. Look at that. Right? So the market is the continuation of the market is bearish. So that's what the market is doing. That's what I always say, guys. When you're gonna be trading against the master trend, you need to learn how to grab 20 to 40 pips and be out. Why? Look at this. Triple arrow was telling us the market was bullish, right? Right. And then what happened? Market did his correction and it continued his trend down because the overall trend on this market is bearish. So Jack Ross, you are correct. But you need to realize you always need to count real-time triple arrow. What is the real-time triple arrow doing? Is doing a pullback. All right. So basically, that's what it is on this pair. That's why they call it big drop, but it's not a big drop. It's the real trend. Real trend is sitting right where it is. All right. What other pair? Let's analyze one last pair, and then I'll let you go. I don't know how many minutes we have here so far. Guys, we're gonna start using what is it, the super chat, so we can start giving you money back to you guys. But my first person on list will be Rich Wealthy. We're gonna make him more wealthy. We're gonna give him another $50 in the next couple weeks. For he always come to class, guy, and look at that, he is saying all the answers correctly. Telling you guys, by coming to class, it's free. I don't charge you, and some of you guys don't even come. Look at this. Yes, the market is clean bearish. Triple arrow going against the master trend. Boom, collect to your 30-40 pip. The market drop as a continuation of the trend. Clean bearish, guy. Clean. Can you use your system with MACD? I don't use indicator, Jack Rose. Look at that. That's why what's his name, Rich Wealthy, get all the answer. Why would you add extra stuff? Look at that. You're not even asking me triple arrow question. You're asking additional indicator. Indicators will never make you money. The question that you should be asking, Jack, is what rules can I use? How can I put my rules together so I can make money with a triple arrow? Triple arrow, that's what you pay for it, to have the triple arrow. If you start adding indicator here, another indicator, then you're gonna have, it's gonna be a mess. Look at this, it's clean triple arrow, nothing extra. The only thing I have in there is the money tree, but I don't even talk about that. I just like it because it is colorful, but that's it. Mostly I use it is Fibonacci all the way with triple arrow. And one thing, guys, a lot of you guys are sending me messages, Irving, my template does not look like your. Remember, my template for YouTube it goes to the world, so unfortunately I cannot show you the real template that I use to make money. All right, so hopefully we get it. No problem, Jack. I just want you to make sure you get it, okay? The better off I come up stronger to your question, you're gonna get it. All right, so any other question, guys? Any newbie here? Any new person? If you are new, I'm gonna give you, if you sign up, $20. You know what? I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna give you $25 cash back if you sign up. The link is below. So we're gonna do that promotion for the rest of the month of January 2020. Oh, we're gonna extend it to February 14th. That's gonna be your Valentine, USA Valentine Day. So $25 back, so you can buy some flowers for your honey. All right, any other pair, guys? Let me please let me know so I can analyze the last pair. AUDUSD. Didn't I do that? Let me check, because I want to make sure. No, that was the USD Canadian. Oh yeah, I did that already. It's here. AUDUSD, done. I already talked about that one. Probably you forgot. Any other one? Butter Randa. How do you take the triple arrow? Triple arrow is very straightforward. Butter Randa. When the triple arrow come in, it will tell you where the market is going. Look at here, it came in as a bullish, right? And then it went bullish. But what you need to learn is you need to learn how to read what is the master trend based on the triple arrow. If the master trend is gonna be either bullish or bearish. And remember one thing, guys, the market is gonna be bearish or bullish. It's gonna go from 3 months up to 2 years. Can you remember market? Can you imagine the market is doing bearish for 6 months and you're doing bullish? That means your account is gone. You're not gonna survive in this market. The market is my honey. I'm married to the market. There you go. Oh my God, Ninja, you are funny. All right, Jaguar said so the triple arrow don't have template. What am I looking right now? Well, This template that I'm using is for YouTube. The template that I use to teach my 101 is customized. I make my own way and I teach you what. I don't know if you ever had done 101 with me, but basically I break it down everything how I have mine exactly. It's different, way different, more clean, more easy to read, and a straightforward triple arrow all the way. All right, I don't use any other stuff in there. Sometimes some of you guys send me screenshot of the chart, and it's funny, dude. It's like you got like 12, 13 different indicators on it, and it just look weird. Unfortunately, I reject those questions. I don't know how to read it. I just know how to read one way. USDJPY. No, the big drop was for the USDJPY. Yeah, I think I already talked about that one. Where is it? Actually, it's not a big drop. It's just commencing. Yeah, but I told you guys on Sunday the market was gonna do what? It was gonna come back and create one or two more candles before the market dropped. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Who asked me about the triple arrow? On border, Rhonda, look at here. Triple arrow just come in. Look at what the market is doing. Brand new triple arrow. Market is dropping. Look at previously here. Triple arrow come in as a bullish. And the market took off. It's that simple. It's not hard. My 5-year-old girl, she know how to read this stuff, and she's only 5. You gotta give yourself an opportunity to learn this stuff, guy. Open your mind, and trust me, the market, it has plenty of cash available, but you have to have the rules ready to go. All right. So Russell Webster says, need a better understanding of what the triple arrow is. I'm just hearing about it. Oh, so you new here, Russell? I think I heard your name before. But I mean, triple arrow is straightforward. It's easy, guys. It's super easy. Give me one more pair, guys. Let's do one last pair. Let's give the opportunity. I don't know who is new here. USDJPY. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Rhonda, if you knew, the link will be dropped below. I will give you $25. Anyone that sign up, I will give you $25 cash back to your any PayPal that you may have. Okay, but that is only if you sign up. All right, let's do one last pair, guys, so we can enjoy the rest of the evening. So far we are on 46 minutes. I want to keep that to 50 minutes so others can watch our video over and over again, and they keep learning. All right, let's select one more. Who wants to do it? I'm a newbie. All right, I'm new. All right, welcome, Russell. Man, this is easy. This is easy money here, Russell. All you gotta know is the rules. You gotta have your AA game ready to go, guys. This is not hard. Let's check the EURNZD since nobody has any question. USD SAR. I'm new. USD SAR. Oh, that's an exotic one. I don't know. I don't even know if I have it here, but I mean, oh, it's here. It is. Actually, let me go here. I don't want to mess up this setup. Oh, look at oh, actually, I went back here. So what are you doing on USD SAR? Is it bullish or bearish? Chat crush. Are you is it bullish or bearish? Please let me know so I can help you. When I sign up with my chart, look like I'm new. All right. But you don't have mine. This is going public to the world. You do not have mine. I guarantee you that. I guarantee you that. Sorry, Sarah. No, actually, that's not Sarah. That's Alice Slim. It might be the same, but it's not. My setup is different. USD SAR. What are you doing on USD SAR? I never heard this pair. I mean, it's there, but for some reason it's not dropping, guys. All right. Oh, there you go. It says waiting for update. But let me read the question. Sarah said, I just signed up. Wish I knew before. All right. So well, Well, you missed it. I don't know what link you use, but anyway, if you're ready to sign up, you're ready to sign up. I don't know. This is weird, guys. Why you gave me some weird pair? Look at that. The MT4 can't even read it. Alright, here it is. Ah, look at that. Look at this. What do you think it's doing? We got triple arrow doing what? Doing a bearish market. Look at what the market is doing. Some people say, oh, triple arrow is hard. It's not hard. Look at that. But you have to have rules. In my opinion, right now, the market is trending exactly what it needs to be doing in a small pullback. From the 38 to a mid 50 Fibonacci line, it's going to do a small pullback, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line. Then the market is going to drop down. Because what do you think is the overall trend here, guys? That's what you need to know. The overall trend here is bearish. Okay? Alright, so let me keep reading the question. Hopefully that answered your question, chat. Slain, okay, already answered that. Sarah Rose says, the channel you're using, where can we buy? It's part of the triple arrow system, Jack. Once you sign up, I don't know if you are new or not, or if you haven't signed up. Once you sign up, everything comes with the package. Everything I have here is inside of the triple arrow system, okay? So the link is below, and I will give you $25 back if you sign up. Alright, let's go to Ninja. Ninja say, if you don't mind asking, what brokers do you use? I use Traders Way, I use Ugo's Way, and I use CoinEx. Those three are really good in my opinion. Some are very slow, and that's what I use. I also have the link below in the description of my video as well. Sarah said, how much is 101? Send me a private Telegram message, Sarah. I have it in there, so you can I had to put you in my agenda anyway, but just send me a message and then we'll talk about privately. That trick says, what time do you normally start your Wednesday? That trick is at 6 p.m. Eastern time every Wednesday. The way how I do this, that trick, I analyze whatever I have done on Sundays. On Sunday, I do my full analysis. And then we come back on Wednesday live with you guys, so you guys can criticize me and say, you know what, Urban, you did this wrong, everything was right. Look at that. Right now we did what, like 13, 14 different pairs, and out of all of them, none of them are going negative, guys. Triple arrow is easy if you follow the rules. All right, so Isaac Gomez said, how do you use the Fibonacci? That is very, very good question, Isaac. First question I will ask you is, do you know how to use the triple arrow correctly? If you know how to use the triple arrow correctly, the Fibonacci will line up with it. But you ask him the opposite question. Question first is, how can I use the Fibonacci first? And then I will add the Fibonacci. But I have a secret for that. I have not taught it to anyone yet, but I'm planning to do so sometime in the future. Alright, so but I haven't done any live training on Fibonacci. But if you want to do it, just send me a private message. Maybe you could be the first one. Alright, Jack says, alright, LL, Isaac Gomez, how does Irving use the Fibonacci? I already answered that question. Goal. Oh, look at that. Rhonda, we're going to do goal in a minute. Alright, Jack Rose says, new, thank you. Perfect. Ninja, Jennifer Baker said the triple arrow works different on different brokers. Yes, that is true. I mean, I don't know if the triple arrow works different on different brokers. That I don't know. All I know is I follow my rules. I cannot speak for anyone else, guy. Ninja, I have my set of rules and I respect my rule very religiously. If it's there, it's there. I'm taking the trade, but every rules that I teach on my 101 have to be there. If not, I'm not gonna take any trade. All right, let's look at the last pair. Let's look at gold. Let me get the answer to gold first. What are you doing on gold? What is it? Is it bearish or bullish? My bet is bearish. You want to see it? I want to see how the triple arrow magically work, guys. Triple arrow don't lie, but it's there. All right, let's keep moving. Simon says, I'm driving. I'm short on Canadian. CAD, but CAD what? CADJPY, USD Canadian, what? But anyway, look at that. I told you it was bearish. I told you. Who asked that question? Randa. Look at that. Where's the triple arrow, Randa? I know you still new. You haven't signed up yet. Look at that, Randa. 1, 2, 3. That's the triple arrow, right? Triple arrow is giving us what? A bearish market. Look at that. All you gotta do is collect the money. That's exactly what the market is doing. You don't need to do anything else. Alright guys, so no problem. So hopefully you guys are fully getting how to use the triple arrow. So thank you guys again for coming in today, and hopefully you come back and check my next my Sunday analysis for the week of the 26th to the 29th or the 30th of January. So I'm gonna give you next week's setup on Sunday. Make sure you look out on that video, and I remember, if you are new, $25 it will be given back to you. Okay, so thank you again, and enjoy the rest of the night. Take care, guys. Bye bye.